Hello, in this video I will show you how to go through the pre-invoice process in Advanced Intercompany application. Just to remind you, the pre-invoice process is the possibility to track the quantity and value of the goods which are currently in the transit. So from the headquarter perspective, it might be needed to track the moving stock, and this process enables you to handle such a situation in a Business Central application. So let's start with the settings. I go to IAC setup. We need to make sure that the pre-invoice enabled is selected and also the pre-invoice location code is filled in. So you need to create a dedicated location, a virtual location, which will be used for technical transfer order postings. Such location must have inventory posting setup and also transfer routes defined. So you can't forget about these two additional connected settings. Then we should be ready to go through the simple scenario. We need to start with the purchase order creation. So I'll create a purchase order, a new one, to Kronos Germany, which is our intercompany vendor. Now I choose touring bicycles, the location code, which is going to receive the goods, and quantity. I'm releasing this purchase order. The status has been changed to outbound, and now I can send this document to my IC vendor, to Kronos Germany. I'll switch to Kronos Germany. We can take a look on the buffer documents. We should have a new one. Yes, there is one. We can validate this and accept. So as the result, the sales order will be created. We'll just update the unit price and release the sales order. Now I'll send the sales order confirmation back to Kronos Denmark. So by switching to Kronos Denmark, on the PO we can see that the status code has been changed to accepted, and there is one new buffer document pending for validation. Now we can validate. We have some warning. Yes, the direct unit cost was much higher, so now the price has changed. Anyway, we are going to accept this document, and we'll open the document card. So now we are going to send back the confirmation to the seller company, so to our IC vendor. And if we update the document in Kronos Germany, we can see that the status is also confirmed in Kronos Germany. So now the document has been confirmed by both sides. So Kronos Germany can start the shipment and also invoicing. So we'll do both. So I hit post and ship an invoice action. I'll open the post that says invoice, and I will send this document to Kronos Denmark. Send unknown messages. Just to remind you that all these sending steps can be fully automated using job queues. Now once sending the invoice confirmation, the status is changed to closed, and we have one posted purchase buffer document pending to be processed. Now we need to mark IIC pre-invoice field. So if we would like to temporarily book the stock on the pre-invoice location, we need to mark this field, validate, and accept this message. As the result, our application will post the purchase invoice with replaced location code to the pre-invoice, and also will create the transfer order. So as the result, we don't have the stock on the east location, but it has been received on the pre-invoice location and moved to the in-transit location. We'll take a look on the transfer order, how it was created. We can see that transfer from code is the pre-invoice, transfer to code is the east, so that was the requested location from the purchase order, and the in-transit code is on logistic location. I have the setting to auto-ship the goods from the pre-invoice location, so they are currently pending on the on logistic location. Now I can, when the goods finally reaches the warehouse of the Kronos Denmark, we can post the receipt. It can be either through the warehouse document or directly from the transfer order. And this is how this process ends. We can also take a look on the item ledger entries, how they were created. So we had a purchase receipt. You can see it was on the pre-invoice location. And then the transfer shipment done between the pre-invoice location and on logistics. At the end, once the goods were finally in our warehouse, they were received, the transfer receipt on the east location.